Okay guys, this is going to be a quick behind the scene kind of thingies. I just did a black and blue in gold swipe, and look at the mess it all left, and it had all those drippings in it, so I just grabbed a 6x6 and just dipped it in there as a side and added a little bit of gold, and now I'm just gonna see what I can do with it. Just wanted to recycle all of these leftover colors that I have there, and so I'm just kind of hoping I wanted to get more away from the gray that the light blue and black did, so I'm adding more of those colors to it. So I want to get enough overflow here, so because this is also leftover of what I had, you know, in the cups. But since this is already an extremely big mess over here, I figured, why not? Why not just I just want to get some pretty colors in here, and I know they're going to be, no, the blue doesn't have any silicone in it, so let's see what's going to happen. This down there looks really pretty, so I'm just going to move this around a little bit. So little circles. Okay. So the gold in the cup had silicones in it. So let's see. Let's see. Here we go. I like how the blue. Oops, don't want to do that, right? But I would like to get some of that color on there. So I guess I just have to tap some of it on. There we go. Now I don't like what's in the there you go. More blue. Okay. Now it goes this. Now I do like this. It's on the bottom here. I don't like this. So can I just kind of make this go away? Or make it, Ellie, mommy's busy right now. I will come to you in a second. Well, whatever that means, second. Okay, so just kind of wanted to feather those areas out a little. Let's see. Can hold on to this a little bit on the bottom here. So, just to give it a little support. What is in here? Is this a big bump in there? I don't think so. So, it's just a little pretty little marble piece, which probably eventually is going to get painted over by me. Okay, so got this. Now, it's really pretty. Who doesn't like gold? I like gold and blue. It always looks very nice. So, see my balloon here. But I wanted to grab another canvas and do a little companion piece with it. And I do have one. So, it's another little 6x6. 6x6 big canvas. And then just dip it in here, just like I did before. I'm not even gonna look. I'll press this in. Oop. 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 Just to get paint on the canvas. This looks a little bit more muddier since we've used that. But that's okay. See, what I'm gonna do is, let me just move this over. Right. No, notch. Notch, notch. I need another little, I have another board. Actually, why don't I use that? Move that out of the way because I'm gonna do something else with it. But, so I got some color on here. Now, can you guys still see this here? Okay, so this is, so what I'm gonna do now, because I still have all this gold here, I don't have blue, I have gold. Let's just go crazy with it. All right. And I have some other leftover colors on the other side. Here we go. Do I? Oh. Ellie. I'm not gonna let you out, sweetheart. You just wear out and you have to be accompanied by an adult. I'm gonna put some orange in here. And again, now it's just kind of one on the whim type of thingies. I'm gonna do not too much red, just a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Okay. And let's do a little swipe motion here. Let's see. Don't put it all the way down. Yes, Ellie. Okay, that's not working. It doesn't help when there's a little puppy in the back wanting to do something. Ellie boo. I'll be right there, Bubba. Okay, do we have a little bit more gold left here? Just a little bit. Should have left it a little bit for the swipey, huh? Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna drag something. I don't know, is that a thing? I dragged over it. Gold. That way I have those sides at least covered. What is this? Is this a string or something? It's a string from the canvas. Holy schmoly. Oh. Okay. So, kind of far-fetched from the blue and gold, black to that. Ellie, you shouldn't be out there by yourself. Just wait. You've just been out. Okay, let me see. Now I have all of this beautiful blue here. Should I sprinkle some back on there? Okay, now I'm just going crazy and cuckoo. Because okay, so Einstein. I can always tell it's you with your little running tippy toes. Hi, baby. See? Giving up? Mommy not paying attention to you? Bad mama of yours. Yeah, I know. Life would be so much easier if that mama would just do what you feel you should be doing, huh? But I don't let you do anything because I am not nice. Okay. So, alright. So, we get this. I wanted to do something else with that one, but I needed to let it settle for a little bit. Oh. Halloween here. Very fall. Interesting. That's a little Bercy picture. Alright. So, dang, thread on the canvas. That's the first. On the bottom there. Okay, so move that. Make sure this is clean. Alright. Ellie, no. No. I will come out with you in a little bit, but you've just been out. So, you just need to hold your horses. Oh. So before I move that over there, sorry about that, guys. Let me give you a little close-up shot. Here we go. It reminds me of fall. All the pumpkin colors. So, but anyway. So. Shush. Okay, let's get back to this one. And I think what I want to do is, ta-da! I'm getting the blue now. Maybe get this better done. Here we go. There we go. Ellie, please. 2. Here we go. A little sicker over there, but I think I'm going to leave that. Maybe have a little edge one here. So it looks like there was something coming off the edge. Here we go. Same over here. All right. Okay. All right. Doggy's calling. Well, thanks for watching, and have fun with colors. See you later. Bye.